Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. In this channel you will see a lot of easy and affordable DIYs. So if this channel appeals to you, I would ask if you would please consider to subscribe to my channel, and also you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Today I'll be showing you how I created these two 4th of July decor. In this first DIY, I'm going to show you how I created this front door DIY, and you won't believe what I used to create it. I think this is a very unique decor, and I think that if you create this, your friends will really be impressed and amazed by it. And the second DIY will be these two lanterns that can be hung anywhere. These right here, I've hung them underneath my patio umbrella, but you can also place them on top of your patio table, and when lighted up, as you can see right here, they just give just the right amount of lighting. So if you enjoy sitting out on your patio in the evenings just as much as I do, I think that you'll enjoy these two lanterns. And you'll also be surprised in what I use to fill up these lanterns. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. For the first project, I'll be using this round foam, some paper straws, and I use these that are in a pack of 30, and I use 3 packs. I purchased them at Walmart. I'll also be using this star from this wind chime, and I purchased these at Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 of them because that's all that they had. And I'll also be using this star from this garden stake, and I found this one at Dollar Tree as well. And last but not least, I'll be using my glue gun. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is cut the straws in half. And I'll be doing the same thing to all 3 packs. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is start hot gluing the straws all around the foam. And as you can see, I'm spacing them out. Once I'm done going all the way around, I will repeat the process again, but this time I'm going to be filling in between the straws, and I'm just going to continue doing that until I completely cover the foam. Okay, so this is how the wreath is looking so far. Now what I'm going to do next is start adding some more straws, but this time I'm going to offset them. Okay, so I'm done adding all the straws, and this is how it turned out. Okay, so I'll be starting with this garden stake, and what I'm going to do is just remove the stake off the star because I'm only going to be using the star. And with the wind chimes, I'm going to also remove the chain and the bells off because I'm only going to use the stars. I am going to put aside these little hooks because I am going to use them for my next project. Okay, so now I'm going to start arranging the stars where I want them to be on my wreath, and then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them. Since this is a 4th of July decor, that's why I went with the stars, but if you decide to do this project, you can really add just about anything to this wreath. The possibilities are endless. It's just up to you how creative you want to get. After that I was done with the wreath, I realized that perhaps I should have gone with just a solid blue for the stars, and maybe that way the stars would have just stood out just a little bit more. But by the time that I realized it was a little bit too late, I had already hot glued the stars. And this is how it turned out. For the next project, I'll be using a bag of white rice and these two candle holders that have this really nice little handle, and these are from the Dollar Tree. And also this assorted food color pack, and these are from the Dollar Tree. 2 Ziploc bags, some tea lights from the Dollar Tree, and these hook and chains from the wind chime. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is add some rice to my Ziploc bags. I've taken out the red and blue food color from the pack. Starting off with the red color, I'm going to be putting some inside one of the bags that has the rice. And then I'm just going to start to stir it on the outside, just as I'm doing right there. And I'm going to continue adding some of that red food color until it's red enough. The cool thing about adding some food color to the rice is you can turn it any color according to the holiday or season. And you can place the rice in any glass jar and it'll really look very pretty and very festive. And then I'm going to repeat the same process, but this time I'm going to be using the blue. These didn't take long to dry, it just took just a few minutes and the rice was dry and I was ready to use them. Okay, so it was time to start filling my candle holder, and I started with the blue, and then I added the white rice, and then I added the red rice. Then I added the tea light on the top. And this is how the lanterns turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.